they're the ones that are gonna challenge you, maybe push you to think in that direction, whether that's just throwing you into this project or have you work on this research thing with them. So Dr. Benamati, he was one of my first information science systems professors here at Miami. He's the one that kind of got me hooked on it, brought me into it.
Dr. Maria Gonzalez, I had her for ecology last semester and loved her in class. She's so funny and makes ecology so simple and fun to learn. And I was really excited when she asked me to join her research. And so she's been a great mentor, very helpful.
Dr. Khan is a great teacher, and he is willing to sit down and explain things to you. And he does it patiently and he does it well.
There are two professors here that were so instrumental to going above and beyond for me and making sure that my time here at Miami were excellent. I have to call out by name Professor Cheryl Johnson. Every single time she engages critically with the text and she is able to share with us a narrative that goes beyond her classwork.
It doesn't feel like I'm just a face in a lecture hall to them, and they have been so nice and so patient. So yeah, I really value that they are willing to build relationships with us.
I've been to 2 international conferences and a handful more at other schools just presenting my research because he shot me an email and said, hey, I think you'd be interested in this. I've been on 3 publications with a 4th one in the works when I graduate, and it's because he said, hey, I think you're capable of this. I want you to get in on this project.
It's that sense of community when you're here that builds onto what the professors initially push you to do.